The Agri-Tech Centres are delivering knowledge exchange visits both to and from the UK, Argentina and Brazil. These knowledge exchange visits are part of the Tactical Fund project and are being delivered on behalf of the UK Science and Innovation Network.
So international is a really big focus for us currently. There's so much opportunity.
This project has been put together in collaboration with Agri-EPI and CREA from Argentina and Embrapa from Brazil. The aims of this Agri-Tech knowledge exchange visit is really to understand agri-tech ecosystems in each of those countries, showcase the UK agri-tech ecosystem, have engagement with government, with academia to meet key organisations and companies and create collaboration and business opportunities. So the tour will be taking the group around the UK and visiting key Agri-Tech Centres facilities, as well as engagement with UK agri-tech companies.
I'm here in Argentina.
So having a local partner to find those gaps, to know, to have an entry point to the technology here is essential.
We're here as a part of a project with the UK government, looking at technology gaps in the Brazilian market, but also the technology gaps in the UK market that can be filled with Brazilian companies. The companies are really interested in what we're doing in the UK.
So Argentina has all sorts of expertise, which maps very nicely onto UK expertise.
Latin America is a huge market opportunity for the UK, but also has some fantastic ag-tech capability itself that the UK can benefit from. And this week, 3 Brazilian startups are actually in the UK, exploring the UK market. These startups were identified by our local partner CREA as having market-ready products that the livestock industry here in Argentina could use straight away.
It's just a very big confirmation on challenges we see in the UK are exactly the same here in Argentina. After this 2 weeks, we've made a big step towards entering the Argentina market.
And I really see that there's a lot of opportunity for pastoral to help more farmers.
We have a green ocean of opportunities to work between the Latin America and the UK as a whole. So how can we crop more efficiently? How can we increase productivity? How the farms can have access to these technologies?
CREA is involved in this project because it's working in exchange challenges and problems between the ecosystem of Argentina and UK. We are here with 3 Argentine startups and we are here getting to know the UK ecosystem.
This trip is very much about giving those companies the chance to understand what is on offer within the UK in terms of a soft landing, in terms of networks that can facilitate opportunities for them to understand what the challenges are on farm.
Today we're here at Cranfield University giving the companies an overview of the Agri-Tech Centres, with this particular group's focus being around crop. We are showcasing some of the facilities, including the phenotyping glasshouse and the soil erosion facilities. So later on in the week we'll be taking the group down to the southwest to visit Hemsworth Farm. We'll be hosting a biodiversity event there with some UK companies who are at the cutting edge of innovation in that sector.
For us, the UK market, it's a very interesting market because we are focusing barley and wheat mainly. And here I think we have a good opportunity. We are very excited to be here because we see a huge opportunity in the market. For me, the most impressive thing here in UK is the whole ecosystem, the good organization.
Farmers are not just looking for commercial outcomes, but also to have the backup of this academia, science, and the UK has a lot of expertise in agri-tech. We've been able to create a lot of engagement and contact within Latin America. Is to give the companies in the UK the right path, the right entry into Latin America.
I think we'll have a great success in Argentina, and that will then be a good launching pad for the wider South American market.
And we can do much more altogether.
Following the bilateral visits, we aim to bring the knowledge and lessons learnt back to our members and also further build on the relationships with the key international partners that have been made through this project. So if you're interested in finding out more about the Agri-Tech Centres and international opportunities, you can visit our website to find out more.